What's going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ, and we're back at like an attic. No rehab. You know.
Hey, something on the floor.
Yeah, it's my hat. You want to say hi, you too? You look. Where we at? We at the car lot.
In the car lot.
Yeah, this is gonna be yours one day. You want it? You gonna run the business, take care of it? Yeah. You see all those cars back there? Those are my cars. I got a lot of cars. You see my car? You like my car? You like the Kia? Yeah. Say yeah. Let's go see your grandma. Yeah, let's go see your grandma. See what your grandma got going on today. As y'all can see, it's Father Duty Day. Yeah. Yep, Father Duty Day. So we give y'all a little advice later. It's Father's, you know. She was a little sick. She was coughing, you know. No school today. Best to just be safe than sorry, you know. So she comes to work, you know. Hey, even when they sick, they still got to go to work, you know. I can't.
Daddy, I like my fish.
You like your fish?
Yeah.
All right, let's go see your grandma. Your fish is so gummy. All right, let's go. Let's ride.
Ooh, it's right.
Mm-hmm. So y'all see, I was with my daughter in the video. Y'all see, she was sick, so she was kind of sick yesterday and today. So I didn't really get to go to the auction and do what I needed to, because she was still not feeling as well. So this video, just want to make it short and quick. I will be putting a course together. The course is going to be probably it's going to be $50. It's going to be a full course, a breakdown of everything I'm going to do, because I'm going to stop doing like how to get your dealer's license in each state. I'm going to just put it in like this course, and just, well, along with everything, it's going to be how to get your dealer's license, how to buy and sell cars, how to advertise your car. Like, it's videos that I've dropped, plus there's going to be additional stuff that I put some stuff in the video, but I'm going to put and going more in depth in these videos. It's going to be about 10 to 12 videos of stuff. You know, I'm going to show you exactly, you know, who I use for my bond and everything like that, who I use for my insurance, the typical cost for all this stuff. I'm going to break it down into video. I'm going to have a video where I go to the auction, probably with my dad, and we're going to go inspect vehicles. I'm going to show you how to properly inspect them. You know, I'm going to show you how to market the vehicles. You know, I'm going to show you how to sell cars. I'm going to teach you how to sell cars with a dealer's license. I'm going to teach you how to sell a lot of cars if you don't have a dealer's license. So you're going to learn either way. It's going to be a lot more stuff in the program as well. So I'm getting that together. So, so when I be at the house, I'm currently writing down ideas, and I want to break it down. I don't want the videos to be long. I want each video is going to be, it's going to be an hour. Probably I want to put like an hour worth of material or something. I don't know. But I know it's going to be, I want each video to be about 5 minutes. I want to be 10 to 12 videos. They want to be about 5 minutes a piece. And I want to really just break them down for you guys. And it's going to be a one-time thing that you have to pay for, and you can just keep going back. And I plan on, like, I'm probably going to update it too. Like, you know, once you buy a course, like if I start off with only having 10, and then I add 2 more videos later or 5 more videos later, like, it's going to be a one-time fee, and any additional videos that I add, you're going to get that included. So, but if there's any other thing that you guys would like me to touch on, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll touch on that, and I'll make a video, and it's all going to go on the course. And the course is going to be, it's going to be a one-time payment of $50. I'm not going to charge $200, $300. You know, I could be like, a lot of the stuff I know, people be like, oh, no, I'm just going to charge $50. That's all it's going to be. I'm going to give you as much knowledge and information as possible. If you want to get into this business, I'm going to give you the information on what I do with the box trucks. I'm going to give you that. I'm going to give you all that information. I'm going to give my brother. He's going to break it down, the website, what you need, how to go about getting it. I'm going to show you how to get your business credit cards, how to go get your business account. I'm going to show you how to get your Dun and Bradstreet number, get your EIN, set up your business account, set up some more accounts, and everything. I'm gonna show you everything and break down in the video. But if there's anything else that you guys want me to go over in the course that you guys might be wanting to go over that I don't really cover in the videos, because I'll try to give as much free like you gonna watch the videos, I'm gonna give out as much free information still in the video. So this of course is just additional like stuff. If you really want to like know like the stuff I give you out is just like broad information, but the stuff is going to be broken down. I'm gonna do a video breaking down, like I'm gonna show you guys how to even take pictures of the cars, you know, how to take pictures of the cars, how to sell the cars, you know, and stuff like that. Because, you know, taking, and then I'm gonna show you things I'm gonna show you like getting like, okay, because I like some videos I'll show you like how I take a car to go get a detail, how to take the car to go got the windows tinted or replace a window or stuff like that. But I'm gonna show it and break it down in one video and break down the cost of that, and let you know like you put this much stuff in this video. Like you can buy a cheap car. I'm gonna show you how you can buy a cheap car, you know, $500-600. Show you to put this amount of money into it and turn that $500 car to like a $2,000 car, $2,500 car. You know, it's gonna, and then I'm gonna show you how to do that, take pictures of it, and then it's gonna sell way quicker. But if there's anything else that you guys want in these videos, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll write it down, and I'm gonna make videos on it. I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna break it down as best as possible. I'm gonna break it down as simple as possible. It's gonna be the videos, like I said, it's gonna be 5 minutes long, about 5 minutes video, so you don't get bored. You know, it's just gonna be a quick 5-minute video. Just watch 5 minutes, go on this course, and you're gonna have the link, and you can keep going back and watching these videos over and over and over and over and over. Because once you pay for it once, it's yours. So you know. But that's it for this video. Like I said, if there's anything that you guys want to know that I haven't covered or probably touched on, or I might have covered it in a way back video, and this is a lot of stuff like I've been having my car lot for 5 years now, so it's stuff that in my YouTube going on 2 years, so it's stuff that I talked about in some of my first YouTube videos that now I know a lot more now, and I'll steady learn. I'm always reading, I'm always learning. So I'm gonna teach you about this business. I'm gonna throw some other businesses in there. You're gonna get a lot for the price, and you just get a lot just for watching me too. So keep watching my videos as well. You know, make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you haven't already. Hit the thumbs up button, like, smash the like button. I'm out. Peace.